What is a bowling fundraiser? A bowling fundraiser raises both awareness and money for a cause by encouraging people to participate in a bowling event. Several approaches can be used to organize such activities depending on the specific cause and how much money people want to raise. These can include sponsorships or pledges for competitors or asking bowling alleys to participate by donating part of their fees for a set period of time. One approach to a bowling fundraiser is to either rent out a bowling alley at a reduced price and charge people to bowl, or to ask the owners to donate part of their fees. People may be asked to pay a slightly higher fee than usual, with the excess going to the charity. They can rent lanes and equipment to bowl and may form teams. In addition, the charity could solicit donations at the site. An organization like a food bank might ask people to pay admission in canned goods rather than cash to creatively stock shelves and involve the community. Alternatively, a bowling fundraiser could encourage participants to raise pledges. People ask for sponsors to pay them for each pin knocked down, either at a set price or an amount they can volunteer. On the day or night of the event, they compete to knock down the most pins and collect money from their sponsors. One advantage to pledging is that a charity may ask that people reach a minimum pledge level, ensuring that the organization will make at least that amount on the day of the event. Charities may like using a bowling fundraiser because there is no inventory to manage, since it involves activities rather than goods. In addition, the bowling alley staff may clean up, although charities could negotiate a lower rate by asking for volunteers to help with cleaning. The charity's volunteers will need to be present during the event to direct people, provide assistance, and offer information, but volunteer organizing may not as intensive as with other events. Numerous causes can benefit from a bowling fundraiser. It can also be part of a larger event, offering a number of different opportunities for participants. For example, it could be included in a fun fair where people can engage in a variety of activities, all of which raise funds for the charity. This can make the event more inclusive, ensuring that people who aren't interested in some activities still have something to do and a reason to show up and participate.